What's up guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best high-end treadmill 2022 on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number Horizon 5. Fitness 7.8 at. A lot of treadmill makers offer custom training content and, in a way, lock you into their ecosystem. But Horizon is trainer agnostic, even though it wants you to take advantage of the studio class experience. Its goal with the 7.8 at is to give you a machine that responds quickly to inputs and lets you choose whichever training program you want to stream. Just bring your own iPad. There's no way to display workouts on this Mills console. To let you keep up when the trainer says it's time to sprint, the 7.8 at has quick access controls mounted chest high. The thumb dials to adjust speed and incline were great, said one tester. They were very easy to use and felt much more fluid than stabbing at buttons mid-run. But those same dials are also extremely sensitive, and you have to be careful you don't make huge jumps in speed or incline. Plus, they're easy to bump inadvertently as you're running. Number Horizon 4. Soul F80 Treadmill. Though it has one of the smallest motors among the machines here, and it lacks the fancy touch screen you find on other models, the Soul F80 Treadmill is still a serious training tool. The durable frame can support runners up to 375 pounds, so it'll take any beating you can deliver. And the belt's gentle bounce is soft underfoot, but not so much as to cause any stability issues. The Soul F85 Treadmill has a 4.0 HP motor and larger rollers for even better performance, though it costs $1,000 more when not on sale. A handy feature on the F80 is the rail-mounted buttons, which let you grip the rail and squeeze the speed and incline buttons with your thumb, rather than jabbing at the console when you're running all out. If you need interactive coaching, the iPad holder lets you bring your own device. Or just prop this machine up in front of a big screen TV and binge some Netflix on your long runs. Number Horizon 3. NordicTrack Commercial 1750. When it comes to bang for your buck, the 1750 has always been hard to beat. This treadmill has been updated for 2022 with a fast, tilting 14 inches touchscreen console and a quiet incline motor that auto-adjusts during your workout. It still features all of the convenience options you find on NordicTrack machines, like quick keys to jump to particular speed or incline with a single tap. They let me adjust speed easily, instead of pounding the arrows and holding on for dear life at fast paces, said test editor Amanda Furrer when we tested the previous generation 1750. But you may not need those speed adjustment buttons thanks to the big touch screen and the ever-growing library of trainer-led workouts. The screen offers more than twice as much real estate as earlier models. We find it's large enough to see the countryside in Germany, for example, where one tester virtually followed Pro Lucy Bartholomew on a gentle trail run. Number Horizon 2. Technogym Myrun. Look at that beauty. You won't find a tittier-looking treadmill nor such a compact machine. But make no mistake, the Myrun is built to handle your high-mileage training. If you're looking for a no-frills treadmill that lets you turn it on and go, this is the one. It doesn't have a built-in touch screen or console that locks you into an ecosystem. Rather, there are only speed and incline paddles and corresponding digits on the display. That's it. But if you want to run along with something like Zwift, a built-in tablet holder lets you bring your own iPad. Underfoot, we found the surface to be comfortably firm without any perceptible bounce, even at faster speeds. The lone knock is that changes in speed and incline are slower than almost anything else around. So, look elsewhere if you need to do a lot of interval training. Number Horizon 1. Woodway 4 feet. This tank has long been the gold standard at some of the best gyms around the country. Credit that to its rock-solid build. The 4 feet is hefty. It uses a heavy-duty belt that resembles the Caterpillar track on construction vehicles, but delivers the most realistic road feel you're going to find on any treadmill. The boardwalk-like slats flow smoothly underfoot, thanks to a ball-bearing design, and will last your entire running life. Don't be fooled by the big, modern entertainment system on the newest forefront. This machine is still a serious training tool at its core. I could have continued running on this for 7 miles if I had a fan, said test editor Amanda Furrer. My steps were so quiet on the belt, and the transitions were smooth. There are no quick keys that allow you to jump from one speed to another, but you can program your workouts ahead of time, and the machine adjusts speed and incline exceptionally quickly. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.